let's consider the question that we have on the board. If x squared minus b equals to 43 and b squared minus a equals to 43, where a is not equals to b, find the value of a and b. Okay, how can we find the value of a and b in this equation? The first step is that just call this one equation 1 and call this one equation 2. Are you getting it? Okay, having done that, the next step is that you subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Don't forget that this is equation 2. So I'm going to have equation 1, which is a squared minus b minus b squared minus a equals to 43 minus 43. Are you getting it? I just subtract this equation, which is equation 2, from this equation. Are you getting it? So for this, I'm going to have a squared minus b. Now, negative 1 times b squared, that is what? Negative b squared. Negative 1 times negative a, that is what? Plus a, equals to 0. Okay? Now, having gotten to this point, we can simplify. I'm going to have a squared minus b squared minus b plus a equals to 0. Okay? Now, using difference of 2 squared, a squared minus b squared can be written as a squared minus, using difference of 2 squared, a squared minus b can be written as a minus b, okay, a minus b, a plus b, minus b plus a equals to 0. Do you understand? Okay, please kindly pay attention. I can rewrite this one, I can rewrite this as a minus b, a plus b, plus a minus b. Do you understand? Okay, this is equals to 0. What I did was that this is what I did. This plus a, I move it to this side, and this negative b, I bring it to this point. So I've not done anything. Okay. Now, please, when you get to this point, a minus b, a plus b plus 1 multiplied by a minus b. You see, I can rewrite this as a plus b multiplied by a minus b, then plus 1 multiplied by a minus b, right? Okay, using the knowledge of your quadratic equation, you are going to have a plus b plus 1, okay, then you are going to take this, you're going to take one of these, which is a minus b and a minus b. So I'm going to have a minus b equals to 0. Do you understand? Based on the knowledge of your quadratic equation. Now, in this place, we've been told that a minus b is not equals to 0. Are you getting it? A minus b is not equals to 0. I think when I start this class, I made a mistake. It should be a minus b is not equals to 0 instead of a is not equals to b. Are you getting it? So it is a minus b is not equals to 0. Now, with respect to what you have here, a minus b is not equals to 0. That is, the difference between here and b is not equals to 0. So I'm going to exclude this part. Do you understand? I'm going to exclude this part because this is a minus b. So I'm going to have a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. I'm going to exclude this part because we've been told that a minus b is not equals to 0. Okay, so for this, I'm going to have a plus b equals to what? Minus 1, right? Now, let us call this one equation 3. Okay, let's call this one equation 3. Now, having gotten to this point, the next step is that from equation 3, make b the subject of the formula. So I'm going to have b is equals to minus 1 minus a. Do you understand? Because I'm going to take this negative a, this positive a, I'm going to take it to the right hand side of the equation. So I'm going to have this. Now, in this, substitute the value of b as negative 1, negative a into the first equation. Are you getting it? So I'm going to have, this is the first equation, a squared minus b equals to 43, right? Now I'm going to have a squared. Now, instead of this negative b, instead of this b, I'm going to replace it as negative 1, negative a. So I'm going to have minus 1 minus a equals to 43. Do you understand? Okay. A squared minus times minus 1, that is what? Plus 1. Negative 1 times negative a, that is what? Plus a equals to 43. Do you understand? Okay. a squared plus a plus 1 minus 43 equals to 0. Okay, a squared plus a plus 1 minus 43, that is what? Minus 42, okay, equals to 0. From this point, let us factorize. I'm going to have a squared plus 7a minus 6a minus 42 equals to 0. Okay, a into bracket a plus 7 minus 6 into bracket a plus 7. This is equals to what? 0. Okay, now to get the value of a, I'm going to have a plus 7 equals to 0, a minus 6 equals to 0, a equals to minus 7, a equals to what? 6. Okay, so these are the values of a. Don't forget, the goal is to find the value of a and b. So for this, to get the value of b, just substitute the respective value of a into this third equation. The third equation is a plus b equals to minus 1. Now, when a is negative 7, we're going to have negative 7 plus b equals to minus 1. So b is equals to negative 1 plus 7. b is equals to 6. Okay, that is when a is what? When a is negative 7. Now, when a is negative, when a is 6, what will be the value of b? Just substitute the value of a as 6 into this equation. So I'm going to have 6 plus b equals to what? Minus 1. Okay, b is equals to negative 1, negative 6. b is equals to negative 7. Okay, so when a is 6, b is negative 7. And when a is negative 7, b is 6. Do you understand? So a comma b is equals to now negative 7 comma 6 and 6 comma negative 7. Okay, so that is the value of a and b. Do you understand? Okay, if you want to learn more on quadratic equation, like solving quadratic equation using factorization method, you can always check the playlist on this channel. Okay, so that is the solution to that question.